Hello, and in this podcast I'm going to show you how to do a basic mail merge from your address book into Pages. Now you can do this by using one of the templates, but I'm going to show you how to manually add merge fields. So I'm going to select blank and click choose, and now I'm just going to write a mock-up letter that I'm going to send to members of the ICT committee at my school. So I'm going to enter Dear, and instead of entering their name, I want the Pages to pull their name from my address book, so I don't have to write the letter 5 times and manually type in each person's name. So I'm going to say Dear, we'll leave that blank for now, and then I will say, please confirm that this is your email. Okay, and I'm not going to write in their email there. So now I'm going to add 2 merge fields for the name. So I'm going to put my cursor after Dear, and in my inspector you can see here, if I click on the link inspector, I can click on the merge field. Now merge source address book. Okay, so if yours says numbers document, you can click on choose and select address book. Now from the drop down menu, I want to choose ICT staff team. Now if you're not sure how to create groups for your contacts in address book, consult the help files, or I'll make a podcast for that soon, but I'm going to assume you know how to do that and click OK, because I just want it to use my contacts from that group. Next thing I'm going to do is click on the plus button and choose add merge field. Now by default it chooses first name. So here it's going to insert their first name, then I'm going to add a space and add another merge field, and I'm going to choose name, last name. So now we have a first name and last name merge field. Now here where it says confirm this is your email, I'm going to add another merge field, and I'm going to choose from the drop down menu email, work email. Now this is a very basic letter. You could add some images. I might put in some, here are the stats. Okay, and I'll drag and drop this image here. Beautiful. So I've got our letter, and what I might do is just sign that off. Regards, Elliot. Now, so we have a very simple mail merge document set up. So in order to get our Pages to fill in all this information, I simply go to Edit, Mail Merge. Now it's going to say select your source, so if you haven't already done so, you can select your group. You could even select your entire address book contact list. Now here it will show our merge fields. Yep, they're correct, first name, last name and email. And you can either send straight to a printer, but because I want to view my documents before I do that, I'm going to click merge. Now you can see it's created a new document. It's added my first contact, John Hobson, and his email, and if I scroll down, it's automatically created my second document for Sally Fields, and finally for William Gallagher, who was my third contact in that group. So now I can print this out, and it saves me the time of having to manually enter their first name, last name, and email address, etc. Now I'll go ahead and open address book for you. Now you can see here I've got my ICT staff team group. Now if I select John Hobson and edit, you can see there's a huge amount of information I can also add. So it could be his address. So if you're wanting to print the address that it's going to be sent to, you would fill in the address, and then in your mail merge document you'd add an address field. So you can look at all these different options that you can choose from, many different email types, etc. You can even add their IM address, and you can create really nice mail merge. So that's how easy it is to create a mail merge document using address book. And in the next podcast I'll show you how to do it from a numbers spreadsheet. Hope that was useful. Please leave some feedback, and we'll have more podcasts for you soon. Okay, thank you. Bye.